Welcome, friends. Okay, that's not what really happened, but you get the idea. Let's power down the unit. Take out any SD cards. And remove battery. Remove the 2 screws on the left side of the display screen casing. One center small screw. The next 2 screws are holding the display screen bracket in place. These are at a very hard angle to get to. You will need a small Phillips jeweler type screwdriver. Sorry, I couldn't find my lens cap anywhere. You can use your thumbnail. I used a tool from an Android phone repair kit to separate the plastic casing and the LCD display screen components. Gently put screen cover aside. Once again, you can use your fingernail to lift the lock holding the ribbon cable in place. The LCD display screen is in a black plastic holder clipped into a metal frame. Remove display screen. Here is our new LCD display screen. Put back into the plastic holder and clip into the metal frame. Push the ribbon cable through the slot on the board and lock back in place. Before I put it back together, I want to make sure it works. Tighten the 2 screws back on the bracket, the small center screw, and the 2 screws on the left of the display panel.